Every Android user should follow these simple steps on their phone to prevent parasite settings from draining the battery life on your Android phone, but more importantly, leaking out all of your personal and private information. It's super easy. I'm going to walk you through the exact process. So the first thing you're going to do is take your finger and swipe up, and then find the Settings app on your Android phone. From the Settings app, let's go to Google Services. So scroll down and tap on Google Services here. And now we want to get to all of the services. So tap on All Services at the top right and scroll down until you get to Privacy and Security. We're going to do a few things in here, but also within Google Chrome. The first one is usage and diagnostics. You can see within here it says, help improve your Android experience by automatically sending diagnostic device and app usage data to Google. This will help your battery life, which I don't necessarily agree, system and app stability, and other things. Essentially what this does is it gathers all of your information about how you use your phone and it anonymously sends it to Google. But this does drain your battery life because ultimately it's running processes in the background and then it's sharing all that information with Google. I don't necessarily think anybody needs to share all that information, and I would recommend turning that feature off. I keep that turned off. The next thing we're going to do is go back out here and go to personalize using shared data. You can see on here, let me read it to you. It says, let Google Apps use on-device data shared by these apps and other sources to improve your Android experience, aka sending all of that personalized or shared data to other devices or other companies. You can see device contacts, external media, but you might have some other apps listed on here. I would recommend turning every single thing off. Again, keep all that data on your Android phone. But that's not it. We're going to tap on the back arrow from here. And the next thing we're going to do is go to location accuracy. It says when location accuracy is on, information about your wireless signals, such as Wi-Fi, cellular data towers, and GPS, are all sent to Google. Again, this is anonymized, but it essentially prevents or helps Google be able to track you and improve the location accuracy and location-based services. I wouldn't necessarily send that information to Google or to anyone else. I would recommend turning that feature off. However, there's one other thing, and it's potentially the most important thing that we're going to change. And we're going to do it in the Google Chrome app. So open up the Google Chrome app, and from here, tap on your profile at the top right. You can see I'm logged into my account, and just tap on Manage Your Google Account. Within here, it gives you information about your Google account. Oops, I accidentally tapped on that. Let's scroll down from here and get to Data and Privacy. And then scroll down from here and you'll get to Personalize Ads. The first one we'll go to is Partner Ad Settings. And you can see a couple of things on here that I would definitely recommend turning off. Personalize ads on partner sites and apps. I would recommend turning that off. You don't need personalized ads on other partner sites. And you don't need to help advertisers select ads for you. Essentially, this is sharing your personal information so that advertisers can advertise to you better. It'll help reduce the number of ads that you see, but more importantly, they won't gather your data to be able to determine which ads to send to you. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow, because in addition to doing this, we're going to do, for whatever reason, that's not loading on me. Let's go back again. Let's just go back into the settings here. For whatever reason, that is not working. Let's go just back to Manage Google Account. And then from here, we'll go directly there. Data and Privacy. And then the next one is My Ad Center. And again, this is personalized ads from Google themselves. You can see if you scroll down, interestingly, they'll gather a bunch of information about you and your age, your relationship and household income. All of that information will be used to personalize ads for you. I would recommend tapping on Personalize Ads at the top right. and making sure to hit turn off personalized ads. This will prevent Google from having all of that information and using all of that information about you to personalize ads for you. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below that it helped you. Maybe share it with a friend or two, and check out this video over to my right. I think you'll like that one too. And thanks for watching.